students at amphitheatre on 24th.
It's my face. This is what you see. This is what gives me money. This is my life. So any change in my personality, any change in my face, especially, is something that is not. I can't take it lightly. It's a very big decision on my part. So what I did was I had gone on the net and I did study it. And then a friend of mine came here, and when I saw him, I was like, wow, this looks amazing. I actually didn't think that it is that good. Although I was doing my own research and I was seeing that it is developing, it's comfortable and the results are really great. But unless you see someone in person, you don't believe it. No? When I saw my friend, I was like, wow. So I found out about this place, started chatting, and and I came here. When I came to Medellinks, the moment I entered, I felt I am at home. The atmosphere was so beautiful, comfortable. It didn't look like a hospital, it didn't look like a clinic. It doesn't have that smell that you get into when you walk into a clinic. एक अजीब सा एक atmosphere में वो smell रहता है. But I didn't feel anything. I felt, wow, this is a beautiful place, and all the staff was amazing. They were really helpful. And then I met Dr. Gaurang and Dr. Pankaj Chaturvedi. They made me very comfortable. They made me sit easily, and they started showing me all the pictures of these people that they have treated, the hair treatment, the hair transplantation. It blew me away. Mind you, I was meeting them for the first time. I had just had a conversation with them over the phone, and they both made me so comfortable. Believe me, I met them for the first time and I decided I'm gonna go with these guys. It was that strong.
Now we'll be designing your hairline and according to the symmetry of the face, according to the shape of your face. Okay. We'll draw a natural hairline, and after that we'll be giving you anesthesia on the front area. We'll make the slits first on the front, and then we'll start with the extraction and implantation process. The procedure is painless, and we'll be totally comfortable. Okay.
Difference between how you were looking and how you look now after the hair transplantation is amazing. Some of the cases that I saw, and my friend of course, I could feel that this is, I don't have to worry about it. Trust me, I did not think twice. Trust me, I immediately said yes. I said, okay, let's start. And we started.
Vipinji came 2 days back, and his hair transplant surgery was done by us, and surgery went very well. though I categorize him in the difficult category of patients because there are a few factors which normally make a normal hair transplant a little bit tricky and difficult. First thing that he had almost 90% hair were around like gray, and the donor area was average. It wasn't very strong. When you have a lot of gray hair, it's difficult to extract them without, there's a lot of difficulty in visualizing them, though we color, but still a little bit tricky. But we believe that a good surgeon is the one who takes challenges and performs in among all the odds and difficulties. So we did a wonderful job for him, and we're pretty sure that after 6 to 8 months, when the results will come, people will realize what kind of work it was.
On a scale of 10, the severity, the toughness of the surgery was, I would say, 7. Apart from grey hair, the profile of the person, which played a role, which had this additional pressure, and we call a thing called tough skin. Tough skin means it is not very easy to manipulate. We use certain sharp instruments. So in a tough skin, those instruments do not penetrate very easily. It's not that easy to pull out the root without damaging it. So that requires some special instrumentation and extra skill. So that is why the surgery was a little difficult than our routine surgeries.
There is no pain, and they are so careful that even a slight prick, if you tell them this hurt me a little bit, just a tiny prick, it was immediately taken care of. So there is no pain. It's 7.5 hours long, so you're lying, and we had music on. Even they played a song from Tare Zameen for me, which was quite amazing, and I narrated a lot of the incidents between me and Darshil to the people who were doing the treatment. I never felt that I was a patient. I felt we were all like one. We were all doing something together.